Hello, New School Babyload here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of Curse Devolos D5. D6, so yeah. I just got this guy in. Oh, I just bought this guy, so yeah. This is gonna be a quicker unboxing because I have two more to unbox from this wave, yeah. This is a starter, so adding these to my collection. And code will be later on. We got Zephyr and stuff like that. Cool High Zephyr. 1A, a green 1A, and Curse. There's the code. You see how good? Of course, it's gonna be pretty good. Pretty good. But yeah, this is gonna be a short one. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.